I wanted to go ahead and make a coastal ornament. And today I'm working with a little white starfish. These are my favorites. But actually, instead of keeping it white, I am going to paint it red. And I'm going to be using apple barrel flag red. Now, I've never painted a starfish before. I'm assuming it's pretty darn porous, so I may have to do many, many layers of this. One of my other thoughts is I could use chalk paint on this, but I don't have red chalk paint. So my Christmas tree colors are red, white, and black currently. So I think I'm just going to stick with the red because I don't have a lot of solid red ornaments. I have red and white. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. All you need is a paintbrush, a little piece of paper to put your ornament on to catch the paint, and you just go for it. So currently I've only done my first coat of paint, and then I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to paint the other side, and then I'll let that dry, and then I'll be back, and then we'll just start decorating with some rhinestones. Now that I have my starfish painted, I am going to go ahead and apply a sealer, and I'm going to do a matte sealer on both sides, okay? And that way this will protect the paint from coming off for some reason. So in case you want to sell these, you definitely want to put on some sort of acrylic sealer, okay? Okay, so here comes the fun part. Now we're going to be bedazzling this baby with some Swarovski's crystals. And what I'm going to be using to put these on here is my E6000. Honestly, that is, even though it smells horrible, it really is the best way to make sure the rhinestones stay on there securely. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Well, guys, I'm so excited how it turned out, and thank you for joining in with me and joining us all in the 12 days of Christmas YouTube Hop. And I will be back with day 10. So I will see you all later, and don't forget to check out all the other links down below. I will have them in the description box. Thanks, y'all. Bye.